How does a metal spinning machine combine with power and flexibility? Welcome back to Hoston Spinning. I'm Coco again. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that all-important bell. Today I'm going to introduce you our latest upgraded model, WLH-DRS1550. 1550 means the maximum so-called sheet diameter for this machine is 1,550 mm, and it can process maximum 60 mm carbon steel and 8 mm stainless steel at normal temperature. The power of this machine is reflected in its stronger spinning force and greater processing capacity. The pushing force of X-axis and the Z-axis are both 130 kN. Don't be shocked. This monster is the spindle and its motor. This is an 8-11 model spindle and is equipped with a 45 kW spindle motor, which provides powerful driving capacity for spinning large diameter sheets. The flexibility of this machine is reflected in its dual X-axis, dual channel control system. This means that the 12 posts on left side and right side can achieve synchronous and staggered spinning under the system control of Siemens 8-8D CNC controller. This is an 8-station tooling post, which can be upgraded to 12-station tooling post. It allows spinning, cutting, trimming, edge rolling, flanging, and beading. Even if the raw material thickness may vary, your final product will always have the quality of the design. Besides, the hydraulic tailstock also enhances the flexibility during the spinning process. The movement of lower block is driven by the hydraulic and can be controlled by the CNC programming controller. You can see the mobile manual pulse generator. It makes it easy to operate. If you are interested in metal spinning, whatever machine or technology, please contact with us by email or WhatsApp. For more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc.